Hello friends, welcome to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I will tell you how to change the hashtag and title for the uploaded videos. Let's see how can we change the title and hashtag in the YT Studio app. When you want to change the title and hashtag, you can open the YT Studio app and select the video which you want to change the hashtag and title of the video. On the right hand side you can see pencil type of icon. You can click that icon. See, now we can able to change the title and hashtag, etc. Now you can see when you type the hashtag, don't give the space between the each words. Say for example, put hash and type. I'm typing YouTube tips English. So when you typing the hashtag for your videos, don't give the space. So if you want to change the title, you can also change in the YT Studio app. Here I don't want to change the title, so I kept it constant. So in the first section you can change the title and hashtag. When you changing the hashtag, don't give the space. So this is the main important thing when you changing the hashtag section. In the description also you can give your uh, hashtag for your videos. So here also you can change the description about the videos and other informations. After giving the description, don't forget to save the modified content of your videos. Now I'm given the save option. Now we have edited the hashtag in the uploaded videos. Thank you so much friends. I think this information is could be useful to all of you. Now you learned how to change the hashtag and the title of the video which you uploaded earlier. So in this way you can change the hashtag and title. When you changing the hashtag, don't give the space. This is the main important thing you must keep in the mind. Thank you friends for watching my videos.